In our today's video, we are going to show you how to decor home with old scrap metal and discarded part of cycle, bikes and the car. Here's our today's video. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. I hope you people are doing so well. So let's get started. Decorating your home with the old scrap metal and the discarded part of cycles, bikes and the cars can be a fun and a unique way to add an industrial and a rustic touch to your space. Here are some brief ideas to get you started. Create a collage of old bike chains, gears, and sport shocks on a wooden board for a unique piece of wall art. Well together some piece of scrap metal from abstract sculpture or a wall hanging. Use old bicycle frame as the base of a custom coffee table or a side table. Repurpose car seat or a bike saddle into a stylish chair or the stools. Turn discarded car rims into a base for a glass top dining table. Convert old bike wheel into a pendant light or the chandelier by attaching light fixture to the spokes. Use discarded car highlights as unique wall corner or the table lamps. Create whimsical garden sculpture by welding together various car and the bike parts. Use old bike wheel as utensils for the climbing plants. Attach bike handlebar to the wall to create a functional for a coat rack. Use old branch gear and bike pedals as a hook for a coat and a key or a bag rack. Frame a mirror with a bike chain or a car parts to add an industrial vibe to your bedroom or the entryway. Construct shelving unit using old bike frame or the car relax for a unique storage solution. Repurposes car seats into outdoor lounge chairs. Build a bench using old bike frames and the wooden plants and the planks. Place small car or bike parts in a glass container or create a unique and the conversation starting centerpiece. Make wall clock using a car hubcap and bike wheel as the clock face. Weld together the various metal parts to create one of a kind handle holder. Convert old tire and backups into a planter for your garden and the balcony. When working with the old scrap metal and the discarded metal parts, safety is a paramount. Make sure to clean sand and prep the industrial material appropriately. If welding or cutting is required, use proper safety equipment and it's a necessary seek professional help. Remember that the key of success full decor is the creativity and the personalization. Mix and match materials and items to create a unique and a visually appealing look that suits your style and the taste. Use a bike chain, gears, and a small piece of metal to create a wind chiming for your porch and the garden well together. Scrap letters to spell out word or the phrases to hang on your walls and like home, love, and your family names. Replace standard drawers, pull, and the cabinet handle with unique and the customized one made from the old bike handles, gear shifts, or a car outdoor handles. Weld together two pieces of scrap metal to make sturdy and the industrial style bookend for your bookshelf. Attach old bike pedals to a wooden board to create a key holder near your entryway. Welding together scrap metal pieces into a vase shape to display your favorite flowers. Hang scrap metal art pieces on exterior wall or a fence to bring a touch of creativity to your outdoor space. Frame your favorite photo with purpose bike chains, creating a unique way to display your old memories. Use old mufflers to the exhaust pipes as a container of storage kitchen utensils like spatulas and the ladles. Create custom drawers organized by cutting and shaping scrap metal to fit your kitchen or the office drawers perfectly. Fashion coaster from car baked disc or a brake gears, by gears adding an industrial edge to your coffee table. Enhance the look of plain mirror by framing them with various scrap metal pieces, creating a distinctive and artistic appearance. Construct a unique backyard fiber using a discarded car wheel ring as the base. Use old bike chain to create a rustic curtain type X for your window treatment. Place a small metal on your tabletop as a conversation starting decorative ancient. Frame a chalkboard with reclaimed car molding or a bike frame to add a touch of vintage charm to your kitchen and the home office decor. Weld together metal panel or the car grills to create a style room divider or the privacy screen. Remember to think outside the box and consider how different parts of material can be combined together to create a functional and artistic home decor that reflects your personality and style. This approach can lead to a truly unique and eye-catching design element throughout your home. Transform your car piston or the exhaust pipes into a towel rack or the towel paper holder to add an industrial touch to your bathroom decor. Create custom plant maker using old spoon or the forks, labeling your herbs and the vegetable with the rustic flares. Turn a vintage car wheel and the axle into a mobile outdoor bar carrot perfectly for serving drink and during garden parties. Attach old door handles and the door opener to wooden board for a unique and functional photo crack in your hallways. Repurpose bike frame or the car roof rack into a stylish wine rack to display your wine collection. Give your home a retro feel by crafting clock for your old hub space and car seating wheel or the bike rims. Adorn your garden fence with metal flower made from car or bike parts for a whimsical and a colorful display. Use discarded car door or the panel to create a private and artistic outdoor shower enclosure. Convert car headlights or a bike helmet into a intricate tabletop or a panel container. Incorporate the metal bench for old wine barrels into a wall art mirror frame or a table edge for a rustic wine country vibes. Replace boring fan plug with a bike chain or car key for industrial twist on the functional element. Refurbish an old car toolbox into a unique storage solution for your home office or the craft room. Suspend bike wheel from a ceiling to create a stylish and space-saving board track in your kitchen. Assemble garden and use car bike wheel rim as the base of outdoor shower head, adding artistic touch to your outdoor bathing areas. These ideas demonstrate how you can infuse your home with a character and charm by repurposing old scrap metal and discarded parts. Feel free to mix and match these concepts or adapt them to fit your specific taste and needs, making your home decor truly one of a kind. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed our video. Thank you so much.
Metalworking has been an important part of human civilization for thousands of years, and it continues to be a part of popular hobby and the professional today's. One of the most exciting aspects of metalworking is the wide variety of projects that can be created using different techniques and materials, from intricate sculpture to the sturdy piece of furniture. Metalworking projects offer endless opportunities for creativity and innovation. Good morning and welcome back. Here we are back again with another amazing video. In our today's video we are going to show you how to overcome your metal waste material, and how to reduce your carbon footprints. One of the most important aspects of metalworking is welding. Welding is the process of joining two or more pieces of welding together using heat and pressure. There are many different types of welding techniques, each with its own advantage and the disadvantages.